guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Opaglamz and I'm back with another tutorial for you guys. If this is your first time of clicking on my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on notification bell so you get notified anytime I make a post here on YouTube. And if you're looking for beautiful natural hairstyles or generally any tutorial, just click on my channel and I have so many videos for you guys. So this tutorial is, I think this should be one of my favorite styles so far. It's very easy. Okay, I need to stop saying styles are very easy, honestly, but trust me, if you have a frontal wig and you don't feel like gluing down your hair and you want something that you can rock on for a really good amount of days, say like 2 weeks, then this style is for you. And it's very okay, I don't want to say easy again but yeah, it's not so hard to do. All you need to do is to style your front hair the way you want, and I thought to do the rubber band method for the front style. And then as you continue watching this video, you'd see how I was able to transform my frontal wig into a half up, half down style.
You like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease.
So when you're working with rubber bands, you want to be very careful. You don't want it to be too tight, you don't want to pull too much, you don't want too much tension. Remember, styles like this are called protective styles for a reason. They are there to protect your natural hair. So what I do is when I pull, I tend to reduce the tension by pulling down the first rubber band I already did, so that way it stopped pulling on my edges and all that. But when you look at it, you'll be like, oh, that's too tight, but trust me, it is not. You want to pull it down if you feel like it is painful. This style is not painful at all.
I'm gonna wait on you, and the weight that's on your shoulder, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say no one's gonna love you like I do. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. And the weight that's on your shoulder, yes, I'm gonna carry that for you. So hear me when I say no one's gonna love you like I do. I will never leave you in the pouring rain, and no matter what we go through, love will still remain.
So now that I'm done with the front section and I'm okay with what I have, I'm just going to pull my hair up in a bun and then proceed to do my edges. Now listen, I intentionally wanted to show you guys how I style my edges. My edges really did thin out after I had my baby, but trust me, it's looking way better now. My hair is still coming out, but I thought to just to style it. This step is not necessary, honestly, but if you have thin edges like me and you want to style your edges and still want to look pink, then just take your time and see and watch the video to see how I was able to achieve these styles on my edges. But trust me, you can skip this part, but I don't want you to skip it. So enjoy me styling my non-existing edges. But yeah, I did make it work.
You like I do. So glad that I found you. the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna love it till.
So this is the frontal wig I'll be working with. It's my old frontal wig. I got this wig from Alipel. I think it was like 3 years ago, and for reference I decided to add that picture so you guys can see. I used that for my pregnancy shoot when I was pregnant with my baby more than a year ago, and yeah, it's just for reference for you guys to see that with a frontal wig it's beautiful, but for this style it's also very, very beautiful. I think this is, I've rocked the style so many times because I actually do love how simple and beautiful it is without, you know, gluing your hair all the time. So what I'm doing right now is I took a section in front of the wig and pinned it down on the bun, because that's going to be what I'll be wrapping the bun with. And then the other parts, or the other section that I have left, don't worry, it's not going to fall out because we're going to use some bobby pins to secure the hair. So make sure when you're using your bobby pins, you don't want to poke through your wig, you just want to slide it through. As you're going to see from the video, for some parts you'd feel like I'm poking, but no, it's actually my hair. I'm trying to pass the bobby pin through. So don't poke it, because if you do, you're going to poke your lace, and it's going to destroy your frontal wig. Okay, don't poke your lace. We don't want to do that. You just want to pass through. As you can see, I'm pushing it into my own hair, but not the wig itself. So when I'm done, I'm just going to wrap the hair I have on top around the bun, and then secure the wig even more using the attached comb that came with the wig, and then the strap at the back of the wig.
And no matter what we go through, love will still remain. So do what you want, baby. You and me in the sun. Know that I still be here when the day is done. So come a little bit closer, and I'll tell you what I feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. I'm gonna wait on you. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Yes, I'm gonna wait on you. No one's gonna love you like I do. So glad that I found you. You're the missing piece, the last piece of the puzzle. I'm finally at ease. So when times are rough and the promises we make just seem so hollow and weak, and we're about to break, we have to remind ourselves, 'cause we know how we feel inside. You know I'm gonna wait on you. Ain't over till it's over. I'm gonna wait on.
Now that I have the hair firmly secured on my head, I am just spraying my hair with water. But guys, hold on, can you see my makeup? Like, I did this makeup and I was like, what? No, come on now, come on guys, my makeup is so beautiful, and I regretted not doing a video of this makeup. But anyways, it's all about the hair. Let's focus. All right, so the hair is really beautiful, and I thought to gently spray it with water just to loosen up the curls a little bit, but not to drench it. and I love this style. So if you have a frontal wig, you don't know what to do, you're tired of gluing your hair, girl, grab that front wig and slay with this style. So guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me from the beginning to the end of this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and click on the notification bell so you get notified anytime your girl is dropping anything new on YouTube. And don't forget to blow my comment section as well. Until my next video, guys, love you, bye.